Someone's gotta change.
Hey there, I'm Derek Buchanan, the founder of Buchanan Technology Consultants. We're a consulting firm that helps small businesses improve their operations and achieve their goals through the use of cloud technologies. Today, I want to talk to you about grants and funding and how they can help small businesses make technological improvements that can not only save money and improve efficiency, but also enhance the customer experience. You don't have to be a large business to take advantage of these grants and other funding available. I understand the challenges and opportunities that come with running a business. By leveraging the right technologies and taking advantage of grants and funding, you can gain a competitive edge and also scale your business at the same time. So if you're interested in learning how you can take advantage of these resources, stick around. I'll be sharing some insights and tips that can help you get started. And if you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's dive in. So first of all, using grants and funding to make technological improvements can save you a lot of money. Implementing new technologies can be expensive, especially for small businesses that may not have a large budget for IT projects. Grants and funding can help offset these costs and also make it affordable for you to adopt new technologies. This can include purchasing new hardware and software, as well as hiring technicians to install and configure these systems. But it's not just about saving money. It's also about staying competitive. By using grants and funding to make technological improvements, you can stay up to date with the latest technologies and still remain competitive in your industry. This can be particularly important because businesses that operate in fast-changing or technology-driven markets where new to technology and innovations are emerging all the time. By taking advantage of grants and fundings, you can stay ahead of the curve and also maintain your competitiveness. And let's not forget about efficiency. New technologies can help you streamline your operations and improve efficiency, which can lead to cost savings and also increased productivity. For example, you could invest in new software and tools that automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your staff to focus more on tasks. Or you could invest in new hardware and that provides faster and more reliable computing power, enabling you to complete tasks more quickly and effectively. Of course, you also may want to provide the best experience possible for your customers. By using grants and funding to improve your technologies, you can provide a better experience for your customer, whether it's through faster service, more personalized interactions, or improved access to the information. For example, you can invest in new software that enables you to manage customer interactions more effectively, such as customer relationship management systems or a chatbot. This can help you build stronger relationships with your customers and provide a more satisfying customer experience. Finally, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important for businesses of all sizes. By using grants and funding to invest in technologies, you can help protect your data and systems from the cyber attacks. You can ensure the confidentiality and integrity of your data. This can include firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection systems. For small business owners, if you're looking to grow and scale your business with best resources available, using grants and funding for technological improvements, you can save money, stay competitive, improve efficiency, provide a better customer experience, and enhance cybersecurity. I will include a link to some grant resources in the video description below. So I hope this video was helpful and provided some value to you. Please consider hitting the subscribe button below, tap the notification bell to get notified when I drop the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Someone's gotta change.
Oh yeah, you can find the links to government grants and funding resources on our website and the most recent blog post.